for the record, he flipped me off first. Transition! Pew, 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 pew. Fan up ahead. Push on left. Push on left.
No, is that a teammate?
The guy just running?
Teammate, yeah.
I don't know.
Straight down that way.
All right, buddy, come here.
Yeah.
Get down. Got an ace.
In this fucking park.
Oh, come on.
You're gonna hate me.
You piece of garbage. You suck. Didn't anybody ever tell you to prep your bandages, bro?
No, but I should cut it in half, huh?
Alright. You hit, Jesse?
No.
Oh, good.
You guys find any drugs?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey!
Dude, this thing is so freaking snappy. He's shooting through a little kill hole thing. There's those white barriers. There's like a board missing from it, so they're shooting through that board.
Middle left side.
Hey, I'm gonna go back right.
You want to flank right? Okay.
If you two want to stay here, Jared and I, or I can go with somebody right side.
I'll go.
Okay. You want to move up to these barricades so we have some cover, or just move up this way?
Oop. Okay. Oh, good shot, good shot. Thank you. Yes, sir. Technically, I should.
What? 45.
There's one right in this tree.
1245.
Did you get him?
I believe so.
Good hit. Good hit. Good hit.
We're out. I'm out.
Out bounds.
Okay.
What? We're dead, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was within 15 feet.
Oh, yeah.
Well, yeah,
Oh, no, I was...
You guys were holding down this cover too well, man. I'm like, fuck you, bro. That was a good grenade.
Move up.
Good job, guys.
Sorry, I didn't mean to overshoot you.
No, you're good, boss. You're good.
Yep. I knew it.
Hit!
That's why I kind of want to go back to that spot that we were at originally.
Just hold out over there at the island.
Yeah. That
Well, we can.
worked fairly well.
It'll be kind of hard to book it straight.
I know.
And then cross that bridge. Oh, 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 oh,
oh. Oh, I need knee pads in this thing. Ugh.
As I almost biff it. Oh, that would have been bad.
It's alright, boys, I got your butt.
I know there's one dude that was behind the trees, but he's dead. You guys see
Is he dead?
his elbow.
Because I was shooting him.
Yeah, he should be dead.
This guy right in front of us?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got dead rig.
These two trees.
Yeah,
And
okay.
then-
Sorry. Oh, hey.
Well, hello there.
I'm gonna move up to that tote. That little chemical container.
Say it.
Not if I beat you to it.
Make room for me, big bear. Make room for me, big bear. Big bear.
I'm gonna cross the bridge. Oh shit. Straight ahead behind the wood pile. Oh, there's a few of them over here.
That drugs up there on that fence?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Where?
Right here on this wooden fence. There's drugs. Looks like it anyway. It is. Alright,
I got you.
I'm gonna come
wanna go
around
get
under this creek and jump it. Drogas.
On your stick.
Moving to the next barrier on here on the right.
I got 10 far left.
There's 10 in the bank.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see your head. Sorry.
Hey, 10 moving left. Yep. Coming up with you. What is shaking in my pocket?
I didn't know I'm not hitting you with this.
You see him still?
Yeah.
Changing.
Dude! I got 10 my far left. My far left, yes. Did you get him? No.
Is he in the tree
Still
line?
there. He's on the embankment.
Oh, there it is. All right, moving up.
Hey, who's that in the middle? Jesse, you and me. Who's in there? You guys dead? You guys have any intel on you? Anything on you?
No.
Here, someone's dead, Rag. I don't know whose that is.
Yeah, we got 10 up in the town.
Hey, I got this weird.
What are you gonna do? Push left or push forward?
We got 10 pushing down the tree line.
Jared, tree line again, down the hill.
Whoa! Jesse's straight ahead this way. He's down. I think. I heard someone say hit.
Yeah, he's down. Heard some boys in mounds, I guess.
We got people. Oh no. We got fires in the mountains.
Is he?
Yeah, he's over there, bro.
I see you move. I move. I see you move. Alright. Post up. Good fight, dude. Good fight.
You said mounds is good? Okay.
I'm not seeing nothing. Actually, right here. My 12.
Okay, going down.
I was so happy to wear these shoes and not boots. My feet hurt. Hey guys. I get fucking stung straight through. I don't even know what that is. The fucking... You're 12. Straight down the state line in front of you.
This way? Yeah.
I'm gonna put it on your forearm right now.
Oh man.
I know. I can't get it above that right now.
It's
We can
okay.
fix it later, but
Oh, wow. You know what? I actually feel much better. I actually feel really good about this. I no longer have pain in my leg.
we're also not in a good.
No, this is a terrible spot. Why did I even come here in the first place? Holy shit. Ah! Oh, damn it. I'm fixing this. It fell down. Don't yell at me.
Gosh, dude, I cannot get.
I can't fix this. It's spinning. Okay. I'm starting to fog. And I'm out. Woo! Oh, I don't even know if it's better this way. Son of a bitch.
I took the long way.
I eat corn the long way.
Yeah, I know you do.
Got him. Left side, left side.
Evidently you're not green! Oh.
Straight ahead of me. But he's far. Right up here, in front of us to the right.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah, here he is. Yeah, here he is. Yeah. One right ahead of me, right ahead of us, right ahead of us. Did I hit him?
Alright, you know what? We're gonna do it the right way though. Hang on. Take care of my baby.
I got you.
Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Alright. Oh, I know I'm doing good. Because now you're gonna be doing good.
I got most of my guys up and got me. But
I don't think I wrapped that well, it's fine. Okie dokie. Back I go.
Hit.
What the fuck?
Man, I think I saw movement down below.
Yep. Hit. All right, Jared, coming to you.
Like by that orange barrier down far?
No, they were in the tree line to the left. I'm moving to you.
Okay, oh. Hey, if I were you, I'd duck. You in the brown shirt, I'd duck.
I'm gonna move to that one.
Okay, I'm gonna move up to the wood pile.
I'm gonna move to
Moving. Huh? Oh shit, good shot.
Yeah, there's one moving left.
Ooh.
See that wood barricade?
Watch out, watch out, watch out, move.
Jesse, there's one behind the wood barricade. I have a good shot. You're okay there. You're hidden there. Just don't pick up because he's.
Hey, this big tree right here, right in front. He's right behind.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You want me to cover while you move up to that tote, or you want me to move up to that?
Yeah, let me put a fresh mag in.
Hey, Jesse, there's one of the trees. He can probably see your feet. He's straight this way. I can't get a shot at him through those trees. Oh.
Hey, he's reloading again!
Such a dick. You know what? There, shut up. Now you're dead.
Can't believe I was shot by my own teammate. I thought we were friends, bro.
Good shot.
You probably did me a favor, honestly.
You're welcome.
Right here, right here, right here! My direct left! Tan directly in front of me. I think they're in.
Don't shoot, yeah, they're walking the other way.
Retardation Nation.
Hit.
Medic! Hold. Thank you, good sir. Right here. Good stuff. Good stuff.